Hey everyone, Paul Giese here, sales specialist with LDV, and today we're going to take a look at Brad Pruett's new 22-foot Peterbilt 536. This has got the ultimate blackout package, which has some features above and beyond the standard package. Let's take a look. The standard blackout package includes black pegboard ceiling and black AC covers. Beyond the standard package, Brad also included black onyx carpeting, black ceiling lacing, black pegboard behind the shelving, black diamond plates on the drawers, black E-track. So what do you think? See some features that you like? Give your sales rep a call and we can incorporate some of these features in your draft floor plan.